In this video I'm going to show you how to save drafts on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram and let's create some post. For that I tap on plus icon, select post, and here I have bunch of different options. Depends on what I need to create. I will take some photo like that, hit next. There I can apply some filter, hit next again. I can add here a caption. Also, I can tag here some people and do whatever I want among that options. But now I have option to share and don't have option to save this post as draft. If I don't want to share it right now, I can't save it as draft. So what I gonna do to save the draft? I need to go back for a step and go back for a step again until that window comes up, and here it says if you go back now your image edits will be discarded, and I'm able to discard or to save the draft. I'll select save draft. Now draft was saved, and to be able to continue editing the draft I need to do the following. Tap on plus icon, select posts, and here just next to recents I see the drafts, and here I got my draft. If I tap on that I can hit next and continue creating that post and then share it up. So that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.